In this video, I'll show you how to charge your Beats Solo buds. These Beats Solo buds does not have a case over here that is able to recharge the earbuds. You need to plug the case using the USB Type-C port in the back while the earbuds are inside to charge them. The only thing you need is actually a USB Type-C cable like this one that you plug in the back here. And all the new iPhones, Android smartphones and tablets are using this cable, so you probably won't need to buy anything to do what I'll show you next. But if you do not have one, I'll put links to Amazon in the description. Then connect this cable to a charger like this one. It does not matter what kind of charger you're using. This one, I'm using it with my MacBook very often and it works perfectly. It does not have to be super powerful. And once you do this, connect into a wall outlet. You're gonna hear a beep just telling you it starts charging, and this is it. These earbuds have a battery life of up to 18 hours once they're fully charged, so you don't need to charge them very often. At least most people won't need to. Now, this case unfortunately does not have any wireless charging, so it does not matter if you put it on a charging pad, nothing will happen. Another thing you can do to charge them is to connect them to a phone using the USB Type-C cable. So if I do the same thing here, connect one end and the other end of this cable, this time I'll connect it to my phone. Again, could be Android or iPhone. If I connect both together, I'll be able to charge them. Obviously, this cable is quite long. If you have a short one, it's better, even if you travel a lot. But yeah, you'll be able to charge them like this. Obviously, this could take more time than plugging them directly into a wall socket, but for some people, this would be more convenient to do. Now, unfortunately, there is no light on this case telling you when they're fully charged. So the only way to check for the battery life is to take your device, Android or iPhone, or even Mac or PC, open the case like that. And then on top over here, if you have an Android phone, it should pop up if they were already paired together. You saw how much battery was left. I also suggest you download the Beats app on your Android smartphone. This way you'll have many more information and you'll be able to customize them a lot more than if you don't have the app. Unfortunately, this app, and even on an iPhone, does not work very well to tell you the battery percentage. Over here you see it's like 0%. Well, it's not true. So I have to drag from the top of the screen to actually see that there's 86% left in the left side earbud and 84% on the right side. This is a bit more precise, let's say. So thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please leave a like. Again, check the Amazon links in the description if you need a charger, a cable to actually charge them. And I'll see you in the next video.